These Adidas clearance boxers paid all my bills this month. We bought a ton of these Adidas clearanced out boxers for only $7. And you won't believe how much these are selling for on Amazon. After scanning them with SellerAmp, I found that these are selling on Amazon for $33.10 right now. After putting in my buy costs, these are going to give me a total net profit of $14.53. Yes, that's including all Amazon fees, shipping, and any prep supply. These have an awesome rank at 2K with an estimated sales of over 8,000 per month. Hold up. This says that the lowest price on Amazon is $59.95 right now. Let's look into this. So if I scroll down to the offer section, this shows me that there's 2 FBM sellers, both selling at around $60. But let's see what's really going on. So let's scroll to the chart section of SellerAmp and figure this out. I can see that this product has been selling consistently right around the $33 to $35 range. And here you can see a drastic drop in sellers. Geez, I wonder what happened there. So everyone got dropped off that listing and the price skyrocketed. So this is definitely not selling for $60, and that's why I am listing it at the price that I am. These are going to give us a total profit of $1,800. Now let's get these home to get ready to be prepped to ship to Amazon. Check out SellerAmp, linked in my bio. Happy hunting.